Investigations tip line.
Hello, yes, good afternoon.
Hi.
Hi.
Would you like to report?
Yes, my name is Marie F., like Frank Sanat. I'm a U.S. resident. I live in New York. So I need to report someone who lives in Florida. Okay. That person, her name is Rachel. And I need to spell it for you whenever you're ready. Her last name is Jean. She also goes by aka Rachel Samdi. You know, this lady, she came to the United States 6 years ago. She claimed that she was abused in Haiti. And let me tell you, everything that she told immigration is a lie. Because she bragged about it on Facebook. She told people on Facebook she robbed immigration. And she told people point blank, immigration is stupid. So I have her address, a phone number, and everything. Whenever you're ready, sir.
So she got a green card?
Yes, she does have a temporary, you know, with asylum. She have an asylum. She claimed that she was abused in Haiti. It's not true. She said that she was beat up in Haiti because of political reason. It's not true. And she, yeah, she live in Florida. I'm going to give you an address, a phone number and everything. And I'll give you my number, my green card number and everything.
No, I don't need your green card. So what is her name? What is her name?
Rachel, I'm going to spell it for you. Rachelle. Last name Jean.
How do you spell that? Jean?
Yes, sir. And also, she also goes by the name of Rachel Samedi. Samedy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what, do you know her date of birth?
I don't know her date of birth, but I'll give you her address and her cell phone. Sir,
How old is she about? How old is she?
She's about 40.
40, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, address?
Her address is 1151 Northwest NW 117 Street, Miami, Florida, 33168.
And you say you have her cell number?
754-218-7642. Sir, she produced a bunch of paper for immigration, telling them that, from news in Haiti, newspaper, stating that she was violated, she was beaten. Everything she said in her application is wrong, is false. She falsificated papers. Anything you need to know about me, let's go, sir. I'll give it to you.
Well, just the first name, you said you were Marie?
Marie Senat, S-E-N-A-T, sir. I live in 34 Orange Street, Deer Park, New York, 11729. You want my cell phone, sir?
Is this a good number? 631-708-2121.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. That's all I need. You know, we get calls like this fairly often.
Yes.
And we investigate asylum fraud. So I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem, sir. You have a case number for me, no?
When I put it in the computer, it'll generate a number, but it doesn't. There's nothing magic about it.
Okay, it doesn't come to me. Okay,
if you call back and add information, just say Rachel Jean. We'll pull up a report.
No problem, sir. And I also have someone else who married for a green card. She called me the other day. She's looking for 1 second. Okay, sir. I'm ready for another one. Give money, bon, j'aime bien dire en tête, moi. Yes. But go on soon.